This is Alex Rayner, Director of Sales at Ascent360. This video is meant to be a high-level feature overview of Ascent360's data-driven marketing platform. The first page you will see here is our database overview. The first step of partnering with Ascent360 is full integration of your multiple core business systems. We will integrate with your e-commerce platform, your point of sale system, potentially your ESP, CRM, ERP, and whatever other core business systems you are using to ingest customer data. Once we have integrated with all data sources, we will be able to analyze and report with out-of-the-box reporting, all available on day one within our system. As you can see here, we can see your multiple data sources and how much data over time is coming from each source. We can break down your customer database into contactability pockets, how many have email, how many have phone numbers, direct mail addresses, as well as social and online advertising ability. We can break out into individual reports based on recency, frequency, and monetary scores, RFM, as well as showing you your top and bottom customers to bucket out who are your best clients and your worst clients. We also can break out demographical information as well as geographical information so that you have a full golden record for every individual client. We are able to use this data and reporting ability to help you target and segment for custom audiences for marketing messages. You can use all data fields as you see here. We base our data fields based on the way that we ingest your data. So we have over 50 customer aggregates, everything from RFM score to how many days that customer has lapsed. As a simple example, we can show you our highest value males in the database. So this is someone listed as a male as well as having spent and purchased a specific amount. From there, we can use this segmented dynamic audience to go and build our automated campaign, or what we call Ascent360 plays. You will build your campaigns by sending your audience to the ESP. We have the ability to send this audience as a file sample or over to your social or online advertising studios. From there, we will jump into our email design studio, where you will have a template library where you have the ability to build from scratch, build a message from scratch, or use one of the pre-built templates. The assumption here is you have full customization ability where you can change any and all fields, whether that be images, fonts, buttons, links, videos, etc., etc. You have full customization ability within our design studio, all with the hope that you will be building a personalized message that is appropriate for the targeted audience that we just segmented for, i.e. high value males. From there, you will build out an automated campaign where you can schedule touch points and specific actions to be taken over the course of that campaign's existence. You will have the ability to report and analyze the effectiveness of these campaigns as well through our revenue attribution tool. The page we're looking at here breaks out all revenue attribution for each of the individual campaigns that this client has sent. As an example, if we wanted to look at our high value campaign, we can see that it does have 3 touch points, and we will break out the statistics for each touch point. That's open rate, total reach of the campaign, revenue per touch, and total attributed revenue. We will continue to attribute revenue over the life of this campaign, as well as the living dynamic audience. This would be the final step as a high-level overview. So we have ingested the data, we have reported on the data, we have helped leverage the data for specific targeted audience builds, as well as build an automated campaign and now attribute revenue so we understand the efficiency of that campaign. So this has been a very high-level overview of the core features of the Ascent360 data-driven marketing platform. Thank you.
Hi, this is Pramod, Lead Application Developer at Ascent360. I want to give a quick technical overview on the Shopify integration we had developed. Currently, we are doing the integration with our existing clients using the private app, and we want to start using the public app so that more and more mutual customers can start taking the benefit of Ascent360. The way the integration works is once the app is installed and we get the credentials, the API calls will be made on daily basis to read the data. So this integration is purely making a read-only API calls to collect customers, orders, abandoned cart, and products data. So this integration is running a service behind the scene which runs on a schedule. Initially, it collects a couple of years worth of data as a historical data load. Once that is completed on a daily basis, it gets the incremental data based on start date and end date. So it collects that data, stage it in a staging area, then a workflow process, do the hygiene, matching, and enhance the data. Then we provide different tool sets to do the segmenting. Integration follows all the standards defined in the API documentation. It follows the leaky bucket algorithms to do the rate limiting. It follows all the standards for app workflow using the app setup. So we use our APIs to get the data, the authentication. We collect the signature and token, and using that we authenticate each and every call what we are receiving while installing the app or uninstalling app and redirecting the user to a specific page.